Hey dudes, welcome to the channel. So in this video we will find how to find remainder of two numbers. Okay. So first question is 25 divided by 2. We have to find remainder. For that we have to follow these three steps. First divide 25 with 2. 25 divided by 2. You will obtain one value. Subtract integer part from that. Integer part is 12. So minus 12. And again multiply the obtained one with b means 2. Therefore, remainder is 1. We'll solve the second question 38 mod 13. First, divide 38 divided by 13. 38 divided by 13. Integer part is 2. So, subtract 2 from this value. You will get 12 by 13. And multiply that with b means 13. So, remainder is 12. And third question is 18,234 divided by mod 121. For that, 18,234 divided by 121. Integer part is 150, so subtract it. You will get this value and again multiply this with 121. So remainder is 84. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.